Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome routine to help tone flabby arms and bat wings, all right? Let's get right into it. Starting with a little warm up, we're gonna take 5 big breaths. Inhale as your arms come up. Don't scrunch your shoulders, push them down, very good. Exhale, arms come down. 4, 3, 2, last one, make it good, fill those lungs. And exhale, very good. Next, some horizontal arm swings side to side, making sure that you don't open your rib cage, so we're not swinging our arms and our rib cage open like this. Boom, tuck it in and just control those arms. All right, that's where you're really gonna feel the stretch and it protects your spine. Very good. Breathing, nice tight tummy, very good. Chin up. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. Alrighty, starting with our first exercise, we have an overhead extension, all right? Arms come up, you put your hands together. All right, you're gonna bend at the elbows, coming down, hands behind your head, and then straightening, extending again. All right, really squeezing your triceps as you extend, all right? So bend and extend, very good. Remembering your posture. All right, nice straight spine, chin is up, tight core. All right, shoulders are pushed down, they're not up here, down. All right, and this all helps work your arms better, all right? So posture really does matter. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have an eye shoulder press, all right? Arms start here, shoulders close to your body, and you're gonna press all the way up and then coming back down tight to your body. All right, very good. Remember that posture, squeezing your arms, all right, moving with intention. They're not just, just slagging like this, all right? Boom, tight, squeeze, back down, squeeze. Very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have some kickbacks. All right, so bends at the elbow here. I like to bend down a little bit and then straighten, all right? So you can do it standing and kickbacks or bent over. I like bent over because it uses your core and your back a little bit more as well. Very good. Squeezing as you extend here. Nice tight core, breathe, squeeze, bend, squeeze, very good. And 3, 2, 1, go ahead and stay in this position for some kickback pulses. All right, now going back behind you. All right, really quick pulses, very good. Quick, very good. Nice tight arms. Don't forget to breathe. Sometimes we hold our breath when we're focusing on something, but even with our arms, it's important to deliver oxygen. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have some arm rotations. We're gonna use our thumbs as a pointer. All right, so thumbs start up and they go down. All right, you can try to go all the way back and down. Very good, but we're not moving our body with our arms. No, straight spine. All right, thumbs are back and then they go down. Very good, or twist as much as you can. Chin up, very good. Awesome job, starting to feel the burn now. You got this, push through, we're almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Last but not least, we have some lateral pulses with our palms up. All right, so up and down. Very quick, very small. They're not, flapping like this. Tight, 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 tight. It's where you're really gonna feel it. Very good. Remember your posture, shoulders down. Smile, work those cheek muscles as well. Think about those nice toned arms. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. And there we have it, set 1 done. All right, 2 more to go. Big breath. Starting with our overhead extension, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Eye, shoulder press, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Kickbacks, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, hold there, and pulses. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, thumbs up, and then down and back, very good. And 3, 2, 1, palms up and pulse. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Oh, the burn. We're not done yet, 1 more to go, big breath. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. I shoulder press. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Kickbacks. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Hold there. And pulses. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Thumbs up. And then down and back. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Palms up and pulse. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. 3 sets. Now for a nice cool down and stretch. Overhead tricep stretch. All right, one arm comes up, bend at the elbow. All right, and gently grab the elbow and pull. Making sure that you're not opening up here, all right? Still tuck in that tummy, close that rib cage. Very good. You can use your head as you tilt your chin up to deepen the stretch a little bit. Very good. Gently release and other side. Gently release. Very good. Cross body stretch. Arms start out to the side. Cross over the elbow and pull towards the body. If you want to deepen the stretch, you can bend here, goes over the shoulder and pull towards you. Arms open and other way. gently release, and there we have it, our full warm-up, workout, and cool down for a routine to help tone those arms and bat wings. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. Are your arms on fire? Which move was your favorite? And I hope to see you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.